Hi, scientists. I'm going to show you how to do the final project. This is the order you're going to do the project in: Edpuzzle for the experiment, um, the graph quiz, and then your final presentation. Notice that all of these are must do. They're going to be assigned on Tuesday during class, and you need to finish them by midnight on Wednesday, the 7th. Let's start with the Edpuzzle. Edpuzzles, as we know, are pretty straightforward. This one is going to show you the experiment. You can retake it for a higher quiz or a higher grade if you do not get a 6 out of 6 the first time. After you see the experiment, you're going to get a graph from the experiment and take a quiz on it. Here's the graph. You're going to write a paragraph that analyzes this graph, and you need to include the graph's title, trend, 2 examples from the y-axis, and comparison language. You're going to type that here just like we've been practicing. And I don't want to submit this quiz. Last, you are going to do, oops, I have to back again. You're going to do your final project presentation. So when you get to this screen, I know this is really small and sometimes hard to see. If you click this link here, you'll be able to see it better. Okay, the directions say the must-do directions first. So first, create a creative or personalized name for your presentation. Here's my example. I did Pandolfi particle presentation. Step 2, choose a graph to use in your presentation and delete the other graph. So this is your version, you have 2 graphs to choose. Whichever one you want to choose, you delete the other. So say you want to use this graph, you click this one, press delete, and then make this one bigger so that you can see it. So you choose which of those 2 graphs you want. I chose this one, and underneath it, I wrote my summary. You can either write the trend or 2 examples. I didn't do either because I didn't want to give you the answer. So don't copy this. It's the wrong answer. Don't use that. You should use the trend like you have been, or giving examples from the graph. Again, don't copy mine. It's the wrong answer. And then you're going to write a 3 to 4 sentence business recommendation to Starbucks. Make sure you suggest one material to use. So should you use ceramic, metal, glass, styrofoam, or paper? You need to tell Starbucks. It's your job. Clearly suggest that material. And then I want to see at least 2 of these words from our science vocab that we've been learning in your business recommendation. This is the slide where you're going to do all of your work, so you can use these sentence starters. Here's the list of vocab again, and then you can delete the sentence starters that you don't want to use. When you're done, your slide might look like mine. Notice I totally changed the fonts. I got rid of all the color coding for the directions. See how this is yellow? And then where you type it is yellow. And this is blue. And where you type it is blue. Oh, this is green. Where you type it is green. So easy. But really make it your own. You're going to want to change the font, change the background, add some images. You have tons of time to play around with this and make it your own. If you want some additional work, you can do the should do and add this information to your slide. You can do the aspire to do. And last, this is how I'm grading you. This is out of 8 points. So basically, this is where you're going to do all your work. This is your final presentation here on slide 2. All of the other slides are support to help you finish. Your directions, your must do are right here on slide 1. And remember, all of this is due Wednesday at midnight. That means you need to turn in by Wednesday at midnight the Edpuzzle, quiz, and your presentation. Good luck. Ask for help before it's too late.